What if your business had an AI agent that found the right information and could automate tasks without any hassle? So, what I want to show you today is how we can use a retrieval augmented generations using a super-based vector database to show you how you can streamline your workflows, save time, and make smarter data driven decisions to help save you money. This will just be purely from a functional point of view, and we won't go into anything too technical. So, let's dive in. What we have here is a RAG AI agent combining Superbase and Gemini with chat functionality. This workflow allows a user to ask a question to the RAG AI agent, which will then scan your document database and find the most relevant information in order to provide an accurate response back to the user. So in our setup, we can see we've got a RAG folder, and within this RAG folder, we have 3 sales meeting notes on the 1st of January, the 14th of January, and the 28th of January. Inside of each of them, we're tracking who attended the meetings, what topics were discussed, any action items, and also the next meeting. So you'll see here, we've just got all the different attendees for each of the meetings, and what the agenda was, and what they discussed, and any action items that they had taken through each of the meetings. So if we go back to our RAG AI agent, we're able to enter questions into the chat. So for example, what meetings were held in January? And you'll see the RAG AI agent is checking the database, then goes and retrieves the documents from our vector store database and retrieves an answer. So here we can see the sales meetings were held on January 1st, January 14th, and January 28th. Let's ask it another question, and so let's go ahead. Another question. This time we'll ask who attended each meeting. Again, the RAG agent's thinking, it's retrieving the documents, it's scanning those meeting notes, and it's provided us with the answer. So on January 1st, you can see who attended January 14th and January 28th. So finally, let's ask it one last question. So let's just go and ask what was discussed in each of the meetings. Again, it's thinking, it's retrieving the documents, searching the vector database, and it's going to return our response. It shows that in January 1st, they discussed the 2024 sales performance, discussed the upcoming February product launch and March marketing campaigns. January 14th covered the previous week's sales and the upcoming new product launch and the need for sales training and customer feedback. And January 28th, they reviewed the Q1 sales figures for the new product and strategized for Q2 sales. So there you have it. That's how you can use a RAG with a vector database and an AI agent to streamline your workflows, save time, and make smarter data-driven decisions. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe and follow for more content about AI agents.